What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2013 Mustang GT. This is the P6, I believe, and we have two codes right here. We have the oxygen sensors being stuck on the reach position, and a bunch of other codes, but those are not too important. What we're gonna focus first is on these codes, and I'm gonna show you what's the first thing to check if you have these codes, because this code doesn't mean that your oxygen sensor is bad. What it means is that the sensors are detecting a rich condition and they are being rich all the time, and that can be caused because of an air leak, and the engine it's adding more fuel to the engine, to the injectors, to compensate that mixture. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna check first the first thing that most of these cars fail first. All right, let's go. All right, so we are here on the engine and we can see this car has a cold air intake. I actually fixed this because it was a little bit loose and it was falling apart, so it's tight now. And also this can cause a mixture problem on the car too, so we're gonna clean this and we're gonna reinstall it. But the first thing we have to check is this valve. Check this valve, because when you turn it on you should not see air sucking in right here. So I'm gonna do a quick test, and to do that, disconnect this and this. We're gonna turn on the car and we don't have to feel vacuum right here, because this is disconnected and these valves should be sealed all the time. So let's turn it on. Well, so as you can see, this car is a little bit loud, but I can feel the air sucking in right here. I don't know if you can see my finger, but it's sucking air, you can see, and that's not normal. We have to change the valve because that's on meter air getting into the engine, and it's actually getting fuel from this line, because this line connects to the canister, and the canister always has vapors in it, so it's sucking the vapors into the chamber again, and that's causing the rich condition on this engine. So we're gonna change this valve. Okay, we have the two valves here. This is the new one. I'm gonna do a quick test just to show you that this one doesn't work. So I'm gonna blow here and you're gonna hear air going out. All right. Okay, so that valve is not good, and now we're gonna test the good one. Same test. As you can see, it must hold pressure. So when vacuum is applied here, vacuum does not have to be sucking air here, unless it's applied by the computer. I mean power by the computer. All right, so let's put that one in and let's go. Okay, so I already installed the valve, and what I'm doing right now is warming up the car a little bit. That way I can do what I like about the Fords is that you can do this test, key on engine running, and you pretty much, when you do this test, you can know if the car is gonna run good or not. It's gonna check the sensors, oxygen sensors, make sure everything's good. It's a really good feature on Ford. It always has been on the older models since 2000, I believe, all the way to this year, 2021, and it's really cool. Makes things easier. I wish other cars could have the same procedure, but they don't have it, so that's why I like Ford on this. Makes things easier. That way I don't have to go and test drive it. I just put that here and it's gonna do a test. So just gonna get a little bit of temperature and I'm gonna hit that test. It says vehicle's not moving, sure parking brake is on, just some safety measures, that way the car doesn't have to roll or something, I don't know. But let's see. Alright, so the car has a little bit of temperature, so it's time to release the gas from the pedal. It's time to release the foot from the pedal, and we're gonna press OK, and the computer is gonna control the car by itself. It's gonna rev the car a little bit, and we're just gonna wait. As you can see, it's doing it by itself, not doing anything. So I'm gonna wait for this. Usually it takes like probably 2 minutes. It tests the EGR, a lot of things, sensors, make sure everything's good. And as you can see, the test is already done. The car is to normal RPMs, and we see here no faults detected. So for sure this car is gonna run fine after that problem that he had, because I ran the test first before I installed the part, and it was getting me a code about the oxygen sensors getting on the stock, on the bridge position all the time. So that problem actually fixed everything, and this is how you fix the problem for the oxygen sensors being stuck on the bridge position on this 2013 Ford Mustang V6. It applies for the 5.0 V8, it's the same thing. So I hope you liked the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on these notifications. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.